Today we will be talking about which training style is best for you. If you are confused whether you should do strength training or bodybuilding or any type of combat sport, first we'll see what is the difference between these three types of training and what will be the best training style for you. So I suggest you first start experimenting with all these three styles. You should experiment with them for at least 1 month so that you will get the essence of what the training style is like and what are the difference among these three types of training. And the most important thing with each of these training styles is that you have to be consistent in order to make improvement. Whether it be strength training or bodybuilding or any type of combat sport, be it MMA or jiu-jitsu or Muay Thai, what you have to do is you have to stick with it for the long run to actually make progress. If you're not having fun with any of these training styles, then you won't stick to it. Another thing which you can try with these training styles is you can try making them fun. You can do this by either going with your friends or listening to music. You can see it as a mission which you have to accomplish. When we see things as a mission, we become competitive and we are more motivated to achieve our goals. Now we have to move on to a phase called the research phase. In this phase you will be subscribing to all the YouTubers related to your training style. So if I am interested in bodybuilding, I will go and follow a guy like Jeff Nippard who specializes in science-based training. Or if I'm interested in any combat sports, so for combat sports I don't have much experience in combat sports. I did MMA for 1 month and it wasn't much fun for me, so I didn't stick with it. But if you're interested in any type of combat sport, what I suggest is you go and join a gym and you train with someone who is experienced. What this will do is they will be able to show you how you can train properly and make improvements. When we do research, we become more invested in our topics and this will make you an expert in your chosen field. When you become an expert, you will know what you have to do and you will be able to achieve your goals much more rapidly. Now I'll give you the basics of strength training and bodybuilding. In strength training, our main focus is on training our movement. This consists mainly of compound exercises like squats, bench press and deadlifts. These exercises you should hit a target of 6 to 8 reps within each set. This kind of training doesn't do much for growth in your muscle size, but this will increase your strength a lot. You can feel your strength increasing week by week. If you want an in-depth guide on strength training, I suggest you read a book called Bigger, Leaner, Stronger by Mike Matthews. It is really great for beginners. If you want to train for bodybuilding, the approach is a little different. In this type of training, you have to develop your mind-muscle connection. In strength training, you focus on the movement of the weight, while in bodybuilding, we focus on muscular contraction. We have to be very careful that we are not pushing the weight aimlessly, but controlling the weight with our muscles. To do this, we have to use lighter weights and we have to increase the amount of reps we are doing. We have to do at least 15 reps while bodybuilding. Personally, I do bodybuilding, so in my training, I do 3 sets of 15 reps with a moderate weight so that I can achieve failure by the 15th rep. You have to understand this principle of taking your sets to failure. Failure means exerting your muscle so much that you cannot even complete another single rep. Now you can go out and see for yourself which training style works best for you. Another principle which you need to know is that of progressive overload, be it strength training or be it bodybuilding. The principles which work for these two training styles are more or less the same. You have to make sure that you are making progress. You can make progress by increasing the weights or increasing the amount of reps that you do within each set, or you can even increase the amount of sets. Just make sure that you are achieving failure and you will get the results. If you want to watch a video on a certain topic, just comment down below. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.